What if a police officer threatens you or tries to arrest you in commission of a cognizable and non-bailable offense? Hey guys, this is Akshay Kaushik. I am a Delhi-based practicing lawyer. The idea of making this video came to my mind recently when one of my clients contacted me and asked me that, sir, I have committed a cognizable and non-bailable offense, and I have an apprehension of being into police custody at any point of time. So please advise me, what should I do now? The accused person contacted me through his family. Firstly, I would like to tell you that I won't be able to give you the entire details of the incident, but I'll try to give you an overview of the situation, what actually had happened when the accused person did not heed to my advice. The only mistake the accused person did was he was present at the crime scene when the incident took place. When he called me, I simply told him to apply for the anticipatory bail. There is no way out. You can only do one thing, that you should apply for the anticipatory bail and you will get the relief if judge will find that there is a prima facie grounds that on which you can get the relief. But he simply ignored my advice, and at the same time IO was giving him the advice, his family also, that if your son surrenders before the police station, we will show the surrender in the police diary and we will not arrest your son in that charge of that offense. Ignoring my advice, they went to the PS and they surrendered their son before the police station. And what happened was, the son got arrested and he was shown arrested in the police diary. Right now, accused person is behind the bars. I am simply amazed to see that why people are ignoring the advocate's advice. Obviously, if you do not like the advice of a lawyer at the first instance, you can go to other lawyer. There are so many lawyers out there. You have to consult them, because according to me, you should not straight away ignore the advice of a lawyer. You should consult as many number of lawyers as you wish to until your satisfaction. But don't do the things blindly or believing someone that if the police officer is telling you something, you do not need to blindly support the statement of a police officer. Obviously, he has to clean his record. He has to show to the judge that he has arrested the accused person outside the police station. He will not show the surrender in their diary. You have to trust your lawyer first. And at the same time, if we are applying for the anticipatory bail, it does not mean that anticipatory gives you the full protection. If you will not cooperate with the investigating officer, your anticipatory bail may get cancelled by the court. So this is not the full remedy, but obviously if you are out of the police station in the instance of anticipatory bail, you may have the chance to prove your innocence before the court.